shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who does not exist.
Hello guys, welcome back with Twentse experience. We're gonna unbox some little box of epics. It is sent by Mike Lane. It's for the Kitt Knight Rider model. He has made some nice modes for me. And he sent me some stuff. We're gonna look inside in the box what he sent us, and it's gonna be epic, really epic. I love his modes. I've seen it on his channel, and I want it in my kit car. I love it, really nice. Just we're gonna go inside the box and look what he sent us for the kit car. Let's see. Okay guys, we're gonna open this little of epic box. Look inside what he sent all. What we have here. Seat badges. With the CMC logo on it. MC logo. Really nice. What we have here. The grill from the lights on the bumper. Front bumper grills. And what do I have here? Floor mats. With the logo from the Knight Rider. What we have here? USB cable. What we have here? Hubcap covers for the kit. Magnet. Really nice. And we have here dashboard grills. For the dashboard, it's look really stunning. And what we have here, Michael hose clamps. He thinks on every detail from the kit car from the movie. Mike, I love it. You have sent me more things what I mentioned. That is really nice. I'm gonna make a nice videos of it. This is a drill bait disc. Really nice. Extension cables. I think it is for display and LEDs and other stuff. What we have here. It's a really epic box. A little box with a lot of epic things. Front gaskets. It's nice. It seems really real. Grab. It's a grabbing box. What we have here? Another turn carpets. Trunk carpets. Brake. Transfers. Nice. Really nice. Heat and tool pad. Heel and tool pad. I think we have the last part. Comes really nice. This one. Dashboard and power boost. It's gonna be on USB. You can put it on you can see the screens going work with this mode. Next time I'm gonna let you see the modes on the kit car, how I build it, how you put it on. That comes the next week. Now we have unboxed the little epic box from Mark Lane for the kit model, and we're gonna put all his modes in the kit, and when the kit is done, I think the kit will really be epic. So guys, I hope you see the next time for the unboxing of this box and the rest of the stuff in a couple of days. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.